Welcome to Top Product Picks. The best office storage is probably one of the most essential yet often overlooked aspects of a productive workspace, transforming cluttered desks into havens of efficiency and focus. And today we're diving deep into the world of organizational solutions that can revolutionize your daily grind, ensuring every pen, paperclip, and document has its rightful place, ultimately boosting your workflow and reducing stress. Number 5. Honey Can Do 12-Drawer Rolling Storage Cart. Introducing a versatile rolling storage cart, perfect for organizing your home, classroom, or creative space. It offers ample room for all your supplies. The semi-transparent drawers allow you to easily see the contents within. Keep your items visible and accessible at a glance. Equipped with locking wheels, you can effortlessly move it around or secure it in place for added stability. It provides flexibility wherever you need it. This cart can also serve as an additional workspace when you need it. It's designed to adapt to your needs. Assembly is straightforward with the included tools and instructions. You'll have it set up and ready to use in no time. It features large drawers, measuring 11 inches wide, 5.5 inches high, and 15 inches deep, along with smaller drawers for varied storage needs. What we like? This organizer offers a massive 12 drawers for all your supplies. Its locking wheels give you stability when you need it, and mobility when you don't. If you need a versatile storage solution that can also double as a temporary workspace, this is the one for you. What people say. It is quite sturdy and well designed. I haven't had any problems with the drawers sticking. It lets me store the pieces of 4 quilts that are in the more advanced stage in the larger drawers, about 5 deep, use 4 of the smaller drawers, about 2 deep, for the beginning pieces and miscellaneous. For 4 quilts that I am just beginning, one of the smaller drawers to hold quilting specialty thread, and the last smaller drawer to hold quilting rulers, instruction booklets, and various quilting machine maintenance tools. Plus the top gives me an extra countertop area to use while I am sewing on either my regular sewing machine or long arm sewing machine, or ironing the fabrics or already pieced sections. Everything was very well packed for shipping. Putting the article together was not difficult at all. Long frame screws are hex head and they give you the Allen wrench to do the job with. Number 4. ClearSpace Clear Plastic Storage Bins. Tired of clutter? These large capacity bins are your ideal storage solution. Create a clean and organized space in your refrigerator, pantry, or any room in your home. These multipurpose baskets are perfect for any space. Use them in your kitchen, office, craft room, garage, or even your dorm room for instant organization. With built-in easy grip handles, transporting your belongings is a breeze. They are also stackable, making them perfect for maximizing your storage space. Made from durable, shatter-resistant plastic, these bins are food-safe and BPA-free. Cleaning is simple with mild soap and water. Each bin measures 11 inches by 8 inches by 6 inches, providing the perfect size for all your storage needs. These clear storage bins are a must-have for any home. They are perfect for pantry, kitchen, and general home organization. What we like? These bins are perfect for creating a clean and organized space anywhere. Their large capacity and stackable design maximize storage, while the easy grip handles make them portable. If you're looking for a flexible storage solution for kitchens, pantries, offices, or even dorm rooms, these are an excellent choice. What people say. These clear plastic organizing bins are perfect for keeping everything neat and easy to find. They're sturdy, the size is great, and I love being able to see what's inside at a glance. The quality is outstanding, sturdy, clear plastic that feels durable and is easy to clean. The transparency is a huge plus because it makes it simple to see what's inside at a glance, saving me time when searching for specific items. Strong, well-made organizers that are easy to maneuver with the built-in handles. They are long-lasting, easy to clean, hold a lot of stuff, and serve the purpose well. Number 3. HOMZ 3-Tier Rolling Drawer Tower. Tired of clutter? This rolling storage cart is designed to help you organize any space, whether it's your home or office. Despite its small footprint, it offers 3 spacious drawers to hold all your essentials. Its thoughtful design ensures it fits perfectly wherever you need it. With clear drawers and removable wheels, it's easy to move and see what's inside. Use it for toiletries, office supplies, crafts, and so much more. Feel good about your purchase. This organizer is made from 90% recycled materials, making it a great choice for both your items and the planet. Discover the perfect storage solution for your needs. Let us help you transform your house into a perfectly organized HOMZ. What we like. This cart provides 3 spacious drawers in a compact design. The removable wheels offer flexibility in placement and movement. If you prioritize eco-friendly options and need a stylish, space-saving organizer for your bedroom, bathroom, or home office, this is a fantastic pick. What people say. The drawers slide smoothly and hold a good amount of supplies. It's very sturdy and doesn't wobble, even when full. The compartments are well-sized for pens, paper clips, and sticky notes. Number 2. Iris USA 3-Drawer Storage Organizer, 4-pack. Introducing a versatile storage solution perfect for any space. It's ideal for organizing tools, documents, or classroom supplies, allowing you to find what you need in a flash. These drawers offer grab-and-go convenience with easy open access. Tabs ensure your items stay put but are simple to remove when needed. Optimize your workspace with these stackable drawers. The indented top provides additional storage or display space, perfect for keeping small areas tidy and functional. Make a sustainable choice with this organizer, made from Green Circle certified recyclable materials. It's an eco-friendly way to reduce waste and support a greener future. Measuring 8.38 L x 6.75 W x 6.88 H, this organizer is designed to fit perfectly in various settings. It's the great size for all your small organization needs. What we like. This organizer is designed for desktop use, maximizing vertical space with its stackable feature. The clear drawers allow for quick identification of contents. If you need a compact, efficient storage solution for small items like stationery, art supplies, or makeup, especially in a home office or craft area, this is ideal. What people say. The transparent drawers are a game changer because I can easily see what's inside each one without rummaging through. It saves me so much time. The lightweight drawers are effortless to pull out, making it a breeze to access my materials. Even better, the tabs at the end of each drawer prevent them from falling out, ensuring that everything stays securely in place. The stackable design is another brilliant feature. The indented top provides a perfect spot to place additional supplies, pictures, or even plants to brighten your workspace. Number 1. HOMZ 6-tier drawer tower organizer cart. Tired of clutter? This set of organizing drawer containers is here to help. It's perfect for storing everything from office supplies to clothing. This organizer is ideal for any space, whether it's your home office or garage. Its versatile size fits perfectly where you need it most. Never waste time searching again. The clear drawers allow you to see your items at a glance, making organization effortless. Feel good about organizing your home. These storage bins are made from 90% recycled materials, making them a great choice for the environment. From storage to organization, we have the perfect container for your needs. Let us help you make your house a HOMZ. What we like. This tall and narrow drawer unit offers 6 tiers of storage, perfect for containing chaos in tight spaces. The clear drawers make finding items effortless. If you have a lot of small to medium-sized items to organize in a home office, bedroom, or closet and want to maximize vertical storage, this is the solution. What people say. The drawers slide smoothly and hold a good amount of supplies. It's very sturdy and doesn't wobble, even when full. The compact design fits perfectly on my desk without taking up too much space. You can find the Amazon purchase link in the description below. Hope this video can be helpful to you. Thanks for watching.